My video will help you to remove fake human verification alerts that are associated with the site Captchaless.top. Captchaless.top is a new malicious website which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Captchaless.top claims that it is some sort of a human verification alert. It tells that you need to click on allow, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. But in reality, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow, and if you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will be redirected to some other malicious website. Plus, on top of that, you will be receiving the great number of misleading pop-ups in the form of push notifications. These push notifications will be placed on the right part of your computer screen, and obviously they are very annoying. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security in the left part of the Settings window. Then go to Site Settings. After you have clicked on Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites which are allowed to send notifications. And if you see this Captchaless.top, you should get rid of it from the list. So click on this button and remove the malicious site from this list and other junk sites. I would also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.